I'm not in favor of all this motivational speaking in the name of preaching Krishna consciousness, motivating people how they can better improve their material life. You tell them from the outset that this material life is all nonsense. Those who are fortunate will hear it. Those who are not, why cheat people in the name of preaching? If you start off the idea we'll attract people by indirect methods, then you may get more people. But then if you're going to give the real thing, then gradually you have to tell them, and the number of people will fall away. And at the end you'll only get a few people anyway. But you have to get out all the nonsense out of their mind that you already put in their mind. That previously I told you this, but actually it's not that, it's this. But if you preach the real thing from the beginning, then a few people will take to it, and you won't have to deconfuse them afterwards. And the problem with speaking all this indirect stuff is that people think it's the actual message that we're supposed to be giving. Like so many people, he's not so popular as he was, but so many people used to say, can we get a talk like Gaur Gopal? Why aren't they asking, can we get a talk like Srila Prabhupada? Gaur Gopal very popular because he talks nonsense. You're not laughing because you don't want to make Vaishnava parade, but actually it's a fact. It may be very humorous nonsense, but it's nonsense means it's not Krishna consciousness. Shruti Smriti Purana Adi Pancharatra Viding Vinha Aikantaki Hare Bhakti Utpate Aiva Kalpade. If you want to practice or preach Krishna consciousness which is not in line with Shastra, it simply makes a disturbance in the whole field of devotional service. Misrepresents devotional service. So in the name of preaching, if we want to bring more and more people in, and if you preach something different which people want to hear, then you may get many followers. But then what is bhakti? What's the actual message of ISKCON? It's become confused in human society, and because we're preaching, we're building hospitals, we're feeding the poor, we're motivating the youth to have personality development, but that's not the message of Bhagavad Gita. It becomes confused. ISKCON's become more popular, but ISKCON's message has become unclear because so many people are saying so many different things which are not the message of Bhagavad Gita.